We had to let that last guy go. What was wrong with him? I know, right? Here comes good old Rob, tractor owner. He's waving his hat. Howdy! Here it comes. Another 5 miles accomplished. That much closer. We have now passed the toll. The toll. There he is. So let me find us on the map. Dumfries. We have passed Dumfries. So we're almost there. I think we're taking a pit stop.